Hello, everyone. My name is Soonbong Lee. I'm a PhD student at Yale. Welcome, everyone at Yale. I hope you're enjoying the conference. Today, I will briefly talk about our paper, Dynamic Matching with Post-allocation Service and its application to refugee resettlement, which is joint work with Kirk, Bahide, Rad, and Elizabeth. So refugee resettlement is a policy that relocates refugees to one of the host country to help them find a new place to settle down. A critical decision in this policy is actually to find the initial geographic placement within the host country because it has a profound impact on shaping their future economic or employment outcome. At the same time, there's been recent interest in academia to use data-driven algorithmic assignment to improve this decision-making process where we can predict employment outcome of refugees using some machine learning models and use this predicted employment outcome to optimize location recommendation for refugees based on some carefully designed optimization algorithm. Motivated by the potential of this data-driven approach, we have collaborated with a major US resettlement agency to redesign their placement algorithm. Specifically, we address two key novel operational challenges. First, refugees often require what we call post-allocation service when they arrive at the matched location, and avoiding congestion of this post-allocation service is one of the utmost concerned for our partner agency. And second, due to the observed significant year-to-year variation of the refugee pool composition, we actually want an algorithm that can operate without relying on prior distributional knowledge. To address these two operational concerns, we first developed a fairly general model of dynamic matching with post-allocation service, and then we designed new algorithms that does not require distributional knowledge, also has a near optimal performance guarantee, and we further conduct a numerical case study on our partner agency's real data to showcase how our algorithm can improve performance of the existing proposal. So if you're interested in learning our papers more, I'll be right outside, so just look for me, and thank you very much.